Alright, so we're looking at the dollar index here on the left hand side. It's a 5-minute chart, and a 5-minute chart of the euro on the right hand side. And we're looking at a market reversal profile. This is Tuesday, June 29th, 2021. And you can notice the horizontal lines on the dollar index chart. That's the hourly sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. And we're denoting the 7 o'clock in the morning New York open kill zone. And the market's trading up inside of that sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. And we're just about to hit, there it is, the premium high of that hourly dollar sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Now the market can create a whip above the higher time frame hourly, but the bulk of the trading should be limited to the range inside that sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. You have also the element of buy side liquidity above the old high on the hourly chart as well on the dollar index. So we're just trading just shy of the 92.20 level on dollar index. So notice we have the sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency on the hourly for dollar, but the market still tries to gravitate towards that institutional 92.20 level. Alright, now we're back inside of the hourly fair value gap in the form of a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency for dollar. Notice the return back to consequent encroachment of the sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency on the dollar. Alright, now we're trading down into the discount low of that SIBI on the hourly chart of the dollar index. That's the levels that's been shown here. Alright, so now we're going to be looking for the opportunity for the market to rally back higher into that sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency on the dollar index, and we now have a potential bullish order block for the euro dollar on the right hand side. So that last down close candle on the euro 5-minute chart, we'll watch and see if there's any sensitivity there, because we do have a fair value gap also with it as well. Now it's Tuesday on non-farm payroll. The objective I outlined for the week on Sunday's video was simply running up into this hourly sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency for the dollar index. Now, since it has done that, I'm completely satisfied with any upside for this week. All right, so the market is rallying back up inside of that SIBI, and right there, as soon as we got back to the premium high, that would be a sell for dollar, but we don't sell short, but that would be a buy for euro. Notice it happens at the same time that the euro dollar traded right back down into its last down close candle, which is a bullish order block. So we want to see the dollar index erode, trade lower, and euro dollar trade back up to its premium array, which is its 119, 11 and 8 pipettes discount low of its imbalance. Okay, another return back into the order block for euro dollar, and back to the premium high of the dollar index. Do you see the SMT divergence there? Dollar went slightly higher, and the euro dollar did not make that lower candle low at an order block. So that's good. So you're going to be watching the sell side liquidity pools on the dollar index on the left hand side, and that last down close candle, which is essentially around that 92 big figure, just above 92 big figure. So euro dollar should expand to the upside in this New York session, and dollar index may trade back down into its sell side liquidity pool and the fair value gap, volume imbalance, and bullish order block on the 5-minute dollar index chart. That right there is a nice sell for dollar. We're trading back up into a small little fair value gap. Now we should see expansion on the downside and upside expansion on euro. Initial short-term sell-side liquidity pool has been swept on dollar index, and euro dollar has made a higher high inside of the New York session, post 7 a.m. New York time. Another opportunity in here. Small little institutional order flow entry drill on dollar index. Watching that last down close candle on the 5-minute chart for dollar index prior to the 7 o'clock in the morning changeover in time. Another secondary sell-side liquidity pool has been swept on dollar index on the 5-minute chart, and we have traded into that 92 big figure. So that would be an example of tape reading for the New York session, targeting liquidity pools and using the weekly objective we were looking for on upside for dollar. Once it has met that, what we can anticipate in terms of a retracement or a reversal altogether, but reaching for the sell side liquidity, which would be the opposing liquidity on dollar bias that was given to you on Sunday. So hopefully you found this insightful. Until tomorrow's midweek review, be safe.